Today on the sneakers app, we had another drop for the Jordan 4 military blues. Like I told y'all when we first heard these were gonna release, these are gonna drop multiple times. Today there was actually another drop, which was the early access. Let me know in the comments if you guys got the dub or you took the L. I don't really want to beat this sneaker to death, but there's been a lot of releases for it, so I decided to still make the video for y'all. If you do end up enjoying this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. Get this to over 150 to 200 likes. Also subscribe to the channel because we got a lot of more heat on the way. This pair releases on Saturday, full review dropping tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. But all that being said, let's get into this quick video. So yesterday I dropped the truth about this sneaker right here. A lot of people have been debating whether it's a cop or a drop. For me, it's an iconic colorway, an iconic shoe overall, and I love what they did with it. A lot of people don't feel the same because the blue is way darker than the 2012 version. White on the upper isn't really a true white. You can see a different tint to it. If y'all want to check that video out, make sure you click the card up here. I broke it down and basically gave the pros and cons, the good, the bad about this shoe. That's not why we're here today. We're here because there was actually the early access, which I mentioned in the intro. We've seen the shock drop at this point. Obviously, after the shock drop, we get the early access. Let me know if y'all got that dub in the comments. I told y'all this might be my first double up ever in history, bro. I never needed a double up, but this is a sneaker that I've had twice in the past and both pairs are completely destroyed to the point where I decided, you know what, I'm gonna enter on sneakers. Honestly, I was expecting the worst because I tried for the shock drop and that was to no avail. You feel me? I took my L, kept it stroking and poking. I paid the high for this pair right here. Nothing too crazy because shout out to my homie Marv. I still paid more than retail, which is not ideal in any way, shape, or form. You feel me? But today, the roles got reversed. When I saw that early access was happening, I'm like, you know what? Might as well try. I gotta put my money where my mouth is because I was saying this is my first possible double up. I said it about these right here and I didn't end up doubling up because I never got them for retail. I tried for the shock drop, didn't get early access, tried on release date. It just didn't happen. For these babies right here, bro, sneakers app blessed me. Yes, I got my first ever double up. Don't know when I'll need the shoe, but I know that if there's one shoe that I would keep for my collection, believe it or not, I got all this shit right here. Probably keep these simply because of the memories that are tied to this sneaker. I love the military blue 4s. One of my favorite OGs. It's a shoe that I hope to put a lot of miles in, so I wouldn't mind having a double up. Almost similar to the white cements. This is another one of those pairs where if shit is hitting the fan, I would grab one of these two, throw them on feet and get up out of here. It's crazy because sometimes you would think that the pricier things are what get us going, but for me it's more about nostalgia. If y'all don't know, I love nostalgia. I literally created a whole Instagram page about it, which I gotta plug it right here. If y'all want to go follow NORI Archives, check that out. But boom, these dropped today again, and it's not the last that we're gonna hear of this sneaker, bro. There's a million pairs in the US alone. I've been stressing that in every video I make on them because a million pairs is damn near insanity, bro. That's like how many pairs they do of these. A million pairs? Holiday 11s, it kind of makes sense because everybody want them. A million of these? Shit, I'll take it. But not everybody else will too, which is why the prices are what they are before the release date. I don't really want to drag this video on for hours. I wasn't even gonna post this today. I was low-key gonna start working on this video. Being that I did take my W on this pair, I decided it was mandatory for me to make this and ask y'all the question whether or not you have these yet, or y'all gonna end up picking these up. Is it a cop, a drop? What do you rate them out of 10? Y'all know where I stand with this shoe. I think it's a 9.5 out of 10. Not much they could have done to make this sneaker better. Maybe the color choice here. I don't really mind the off-white, off-blue head-ass color on the upper of the shoe. Blue down here, it is a little dark. I could pull it off and I don't think it's bad simply because at night, bro, it'll it'll look like a black type sneaker. Then in the daytime when the sun is gleaming, it'll be the military blues. So I'm not really tripping. I've been seeing pairs loaded up for raffles. Pretty sure JD's gonna do the reservations, finish line and all that. This is a pair that's plentiful. So if you have been trying and you haven't gotten them yet, just keep your eyes peeled for where they're gonna be loaded up at. Like I said, check every raffle. If you put the footwork in for this sneaker, you definitely will be able to cop. I almost guarantee you, bro, you should be able to get these. I think they'll still sell out even though there is a million pairs, because it is one of the OG colorways, one of the better OG colorways in my opinion. I'm not sure if everybody else feels that way. It's one of those that I think if somebody sees it at the mall just like this, they're gonna grab it. I know I would, low key. That pretty much does it for this quick little video. I just wanted to know if y'all ended up hitting on the exclusive access. We're gonna see a bunch more releases, so don't give up yet. Definitely will be able to secure a pair of these. I believe it. Double up secured, first time ever. I gotta see how this feels, bruh. If I feel like I don't need them down the line, I could always just sell them. If there was ever a sneaker that I was gonna double up on, it would be this right here. I'm gassed up. Let me know if y'all are excited for these to finally drop. On feet is literally on the horizon. Gotta drop this on foot tomorrow, but after that, it's all military blue time, bro. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, leave a like. If you got this one to over 150 likes, I might start working on this weekend, which is OD. I can make it happen if y'all show enough love. Get me to 30K by summertime and I'll give away a pair of military blues or bread 4s. All that being said, check out one of these two videos because that's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your previous history. They think you might like one of these two videos, so click one of those and I'll catch you there. Peace.